Alright, so in this video, we'll basically talk about how to create your extended keywords. So at this point, you should already have your main keywords that we're going to be targeting per site. Okay, so in this video, we're just going to be talking about how you would get these alternative or extended keywords. So the idea is that whatever our main keywords that we're looking at, we want to be able to write things around that, and we want to find the most popular things around that. And you know what's really easy about this is that we use this tool every day, and it's Google. And check this out. So what I want you to do is basically have this window open, but also open up a new window that is clean. Whether you have to create a new profile on Google, meaning like a profile on your Google Chrome, whether you need to do that, but just have something that's a clean profile that you wouldn't use, so it's not tampered with anything. So what I'm gonna do, you already see here, I've already done the first row. So this one's pretty easy, right? We can just say, if we were writing about water heater, we can write about water heater repair and replacement, water heater repair and installation. You see what I mean? Water heater repair costs, water heater repair companies, water heater repair emergency, water heater repair gas. So these are the things that we want to write about when it comes to our content, when it comes to our site. Ideally, each one of these would be a service page also, but that's another thing. So if you think about it, this could be your service page, and these could be your headings. And of course, don't force it again. The rule of thumb here is that don't force anything, right? But just basically write about it. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is water heater near me. So you go here on Google, you would type in, let's see here. Let me see if I can move this up here. There you go. You would put in water heater near me. You would start with A. Okay, so now it'll give you a whole bunch of Google search suggestions. So you can see here, these are the things that we want to keep in mind, what we want to write about. So I'm basically just gonna go through the alphabet here. We're gonna put A. Let's see here, replacement near me, blah blah blah. I could probably, I'm gonna think about this. I probably don't want to write about how to fix it, because those are the people that kind of want to do it themselves. I want to look for people that are more transactional driven, right? They're closer to the buying cycle. When it comes to this, it looks like this is something that we want to write about. Oh, I didn't have to click on that, but so you kind of want to use Google as a suggestion box. We want to be able to use it to use it as a suggestion, right? So our main keyword is repair near me. I'll put a B here. Let's go for C. So you kind of have to think about this while you're reading this. C, so I already did companies, I already did costs. D, I don't want to do DIY. We can put distributors. So so what I usually do, if it's something short, I would just put in the word there. But if it's something long like this, I would put in the whole thing. So this reads water heater repair near me, distributors. You know, see what I mean? E, can even go electric. You see where I'm going with this? So ideally, this is what you want to do. You would just basically go through the alphabet and find the relevant keywords that might be good for your main keyword. You know what I mean? Something that's conjunction that goes in parallel with it. So I don't want to beat a dead horse here, but you get the idea. So I'll see you in the next one. All right? Peace.